Ang dami na ito.
Hi guys, today I bought it and mommy paid it. And then these two have. And then
Chocolate bread.
chocolate bread.
Grabe, ang mahal na nito, ma. Alam mo magkano na? 105 ng dalawang piraso.
105?
Oo.
Then
Ay, dalawang.
At dati magkano?
chocolate bread.
60. Grabe guys, alam nyo, the last time na bumili kami nito, siguro mga 1 month ago. Tapos pag umu-order kami nito, is talagang bumibili kami nito. Which is yung chocolate bread. Siguro nakikita nyo naman yan pag kumakain kami, di ba? And girl, nagulat ako. 105 na siya ngayon. Sabi ko, grabe, ang mahal na niya, ha?
Wait, mommy. I can cut these first.
No, because I'll put the ano there.
No, I cannot take it.
Ah, okay.
Mommy, 4 lang binili mo, mommy.
80. Tigdadalawa lang kayo.
Mommy, I think that's your
This one. This one.
No, that's your Ah, souffle. And what is it?
Souffle? The souffle? They don't have souffle. This one only. The chocolate. Yeah, Onja, they have. But now they don't have na.
Hi guys, this is now baby sing. Baby patira, tomate 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 baby like, do you know how the red come here? Mommy, Mommy,
You know lang, Mami.
this is my video.
I did your video.
Yes. Look how this come. Do you know how red come? Look, it's coming.
This one, Barbie.
Look, how this here.
No, right.
Look, it's cold.
Yata napakita sa inyo to, pero bumili kami nito kanina. Flowers for mom. And this one is for my mom. Ayan. Ito para kay Ane. Ibibigay natin yan ngayon kay Ane. Papunta na kami sa Popeyes. Ayun si Barbie. Ando sila mama sa dulo. And ginagawa pa lang yung way. Hi! Ginagawa yung road.
Mommy, I'm supposed to
Nakapunta na kami sa market ni Bianan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon, guys. Nakapag-video ako para sa Facebook ko. But now, we're going to Popeyes. Kasi po, meron ng Popeyes dito. Meron na ring Burger King. Although may Burger King naman talaga dito, guys, before. Pero ano kasi yon sa... Ano siya, yung parang truck. Nakalagay siya sa truck. Pero ngayon, meron na talaga siyang physical store. And
hold my hand.
I think next month is magbubukas yung Starbucks. So, finally, girl, nagiging ano na siya. Nagiging city na siya ng a little bit. Hindi, joke lang.
Mommy, yung city ba meron talagang mga restaurant?
Yeah.
Mommy, wait.
Oh, you jump na, anak, kasi I cannot walk here. Ang sabi ni Ate Linda, tinanong namin, is full daw doon. Maraming tao, but we will see. Today is Sunday. Ang dami talagang tao, guys, sa Sahil. crowded yung dinaanan namin. Kasi syempre, Sunday, the weather is nice. Plus, it's Mother's Day. So, alam mo yun, people are celebrating Mother's Day. And, yan, malapit na rin kami. Napansin niyo ba to? O, meron na dito. Dati wala tong ganito eh. It's an open
We can ride
Ano,
a bike
place?
now.
Mami, dapat piniride mo kami ng bike eh. Nandun lang pala.
Journaling. Oh, we are near na.
Buti hindi ako nahimatay. Ano na ba to?
Guys, we are here. Tamam, I'm waiting. Guys, ang sakit ng paa ko. Pinapaltos na ako. Oh my goodness. Ang sakit. Finally, we are here na sa Popeyes and Burger King. Grabe, hindi ko to napansin na. The last time we went here, they don't have like this, di ba? And kailan lang kami pumunta nun? Naku, ayokong dumaan. Sobrang taas. Sobrang taas na ito. One is good kasi meron silang ano, English at saka kung di ako nagkakamali, this one is Arab. So first, order tayo sa Popeyes. Dine in. Anong gusto mo, ma? Burger, nugget, chicken. Ayun lang naman eh, burger or chicken. Burger and chicken? O, sige. Paano yung bilog or yung ganto lang?
Bilog.
Yung bilog? Chicken burger. Bakit menus? Kids menus. Menus. Vicky. This one. Papi Sam. Order ako nito ng dalawa. Medium price. Ay, large. Ay, hindi. Ano naman, marami ako yung order eh. So, ano naman, add to cart. Ano pang, may gusto ka dito, ma? May hot wings, may mag-order naman ako ng nuggets eh.
Oo, ito.
Hot wings, maanghang to.
Ay, maanghang.
Oo. Ito, order ako for Gunner. Tapos, order pa ako ng isa. Dapat ano to eh. Don't want. Okay. And then, yung snacks. Not this one. Bakit menus? Ay, wala na sila dito yung ano, nuggets. Oh, oo. Allah. Menus. Meron naman 15 pieces lang. Chicken menu. 150. Eto, meron sila 20 pieces.
Yan. Marami.
Medium large size. This one. Anong beverage? Anong gusto mo? Coke? Medium. Don't want to. Tapos, ano pa ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano pa? May gusto ka pa, ma?
Wala na. Ikaw na magdagdag sa iyo.
Sige, mamimili na ako. Sige, maupo ka naman. Sa Burger King, may gusto ko sa Burger King. Ito na yung Burger King. May gusto kong burger sa Burger King. Oo.
Meron yan?
Eto, Popeyes. Eto, nag-order ako ng burger sa Popeyes.
Akin yan?
Oo.
Huwag na.
Ay.
Huwag na doon.
Wag na.
Meron na pala doon.
O, sige. Guys, this time, Burger King naman yung in-order ko. Wait a minute. love you have shown me over the years. I love you, Mom. Thank you, Kuya.
I'm super done.
I love you.
Mommy, Mommy, yung isa natin is 20 dollars.
Ah, may bayad pala. This one naman, gift ni Nesta for, ano, for
I know
Mama.
what's your favorite color. I know what's Oma's favorite color.
Ayan. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all the love you have shown me over the Same lang. Same lang. Thank you, Kuya.
Mama, for you
Aba, may pag-give.
and Mommy for you.
Ma.
Of course, I will not forget.
Gift ni Barbie.
Mommy, of course, I will not. Of course, I will not forgive. I forgot you, Mommy.
It's a blind bag.
Mommy, first, Mommy, open this with my gift. Okay, which one you're gonna get?
I have to choose pala. Okay, I will get the pink first.
Okay, now you look which one.
Red. The green.
Rare.
Rare.
Get the rare.
I get the rare. May paganto si Barbie. Iba-iba. Should I open na?
Yes.
So it has
Open
like
it,
this.
Mommy.
May mga ganito.
You open inside.
I can open. Okay. What's
But be
inside?
careful because it might
Ginawa
be.
ang survivor ah.
What's in here?
Okay, Tina, I'll show you. Remember that you have a heart from your children.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ang galing ni Barbie talaga.
Okay, next is...
Naisip mo lang yan.
Ang dami oh. May mga paganto. Ang daming heart, guys. Oh, this one.
You open inside.
Yeah, but I have to show it first like this. Bash ka bar ma?
No.
Yo. This one. Oh, it's like a flower.
Yes, but it's cocoa.
Coctu. It's supposed to be like this. Oh, a flower. Thank you, ate.
Welcome.
Okay, now you can look. Wait, next is this one. Ito paano yun? Na-open to, hindi? No?
It's a squishy.
Oh, it's a squishy. Okay, next. Next, this one.
It's the smallest.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you, ate. And the next is... Oh, a melon.
Mommy, I hear that you remember that you like melon and okra.
I don't eat okra.
Oh,
Yeah. Nilagay niya yung mga favorite foods ko.
jolly. I tried to make
Thank you. And that's it.
Kailan mo ginawa yan?
Thank you, ate.
Agave.
I love you. Let's keep it na. May pag-gift pa pala siya kagabi. Kaya pala siya busy kagabi.
That is my favorite.
Thank you so much.
Tagal mo yung umakyat eh.
Guys, I think in-order namin 4 burgers from Popeyes, 2 from Burger King, and then eto nuggets. 2 bucket yung in-order ko para yung iba sa bahay. And then fries. Okay, that's it.
When I first did
The floor is lava. Offended.
No, Mommy. You need to set the floor is lava in 5 seconds. 5, 4,
The
Unahan kami, Mami, like park ko, Mami, dumugsal dun.
You cannot because there's a lot of kids.
3, 2, 1.
Or
The floor is lava.
Kick, kick, kick.
It's not lava anymore. Noldo! Ha? May mga ibig sabihin yan.
Ito, maganda tong tatlo.
Ano, ganito.
At ito.
Hindi maganda yan, ma.
Ha?
Hindi maganda.
Ito?
Mm.
Oh?
Hindi maganda, ma.
For you. Mami,
Şey o Outlook başarısız yani.
Mama can buy this. Do you know why?
Why?
Mama, makakakuha ka na ito kasi may pera ka na. Pag ka naman makalibre. Wait lang. Do you know where Mama can go?
Why?
Tignan mo. Mami, look.
Yeah. Nandito ulit kami sa LC Waikiki. Ang sakit ng paa ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, hala. Namumula.
Mami, huwag ka naman i-change tayo.
Kasi papapalitan ni mama yung sandals niya. Ma, baka gusto mo papalitan niya ng iba? Baka,
Nga, yung tinitingnan ko nga.
tingin-tingin ka. Baka may magusto.
Black, Mama.
May matipuan ka.
Mama, black.
Which one is good?
This one.
This one? Saan ang maganda? Hawakan mo nga, anak.
Mami,
Depende.
need mo ng fish.
Ito maganda man.
Yeah, there's a fish. Nerde. Eto. Maganda nga to eh. Ang kaso lang,
Kunti lang malagyan.
onti lang malalagay mo. This one naman, marami siyang ano.
Oo.
Ganda naman ng kulay. Like the color talaga. Ano ba? Mag-vote, Barbie. Which one do you like?
This one.
What about you? Which one do you like?
Like this one.
This one. What about you? Ikaw, deto. To. Ito kasi pang ano eh. Ito try ko lang kung it's big.
Malaki ka na.
Malaki? Is it big? Can I see the camera? How about this one? Yaren, can you hold this one? Ha? Nito siya nursun.
Kung ganyan. Dapat,
You don't like this?
ganito ko.
Eto nga, ayan, may packet to.
Yung parang kulubot yung mga ganito.
You can take this off. You can take this off. You don't like?
Yung parang hawakan mo to, Ali. Hawakan mo to. Yung parang different.
Bash kayok. Wala anak eh. They only have like this one.
Ganito.